knows what they gotta hear. Everybody knows what the sound is. Everybody knows what they gotta hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, you subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I want to talk to fathers and parents about raising a son. The title of this video is Design a Young Man. So stick with me and you'll understand why. One of the first considerations when it comes to raising a son is the environment. Will your home have the right resources that will enable you to properly mold him into a great young man? What are those resources that can help you raise him well? Do you really need resources to help you? A father must balance in his plan love and nurturing to incorporate tough love. This method can help to instill humanity within the young man's character. The planning a father should set in motion is to ensure that his son will be healthy and physically fit, starting with a healthy diet. Next step, to set a structured daily routine that the son will follow. This will form a foundation of discipline that will help carry the young man to success. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. A critical component of a young man's success is the education aspect of what he's taught. The basic proper education of reading, writing, and math are key to his development. If these elements of education are lacking, his success can be limited. There are many things that a father should teach his son, and one of the most important is basic handyman skills. A simple way to use a hammer, a screwdriver, a wrench, and other tools. Some of the main things a father likes to show his son is how to throw a baseball, a football, shoot a basketball, and other sports skills. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say. So I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, I need to reach 100 subscribers. So tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. Molding a great young man will be a 24/7, 18-year commitment that is the responsibility of the father. There are no shortcuts or time off for this very important job that a father has decided to undertake. So, men that are thinking of or planning to have a child should evaluate their current situation before taking that step. This great and unbelievably important responsibility that a father has been tasked with completing is an honor for any man. Having the opportunity to develop a young man with good moral value and core beliefs is a blessing. Giving a young man these great character traits starts his life journey off with a wonderful foundation. Providing a strong foundation will allow any young man to make good decisions. So this is the end of this video. If you need more information or would like the video, please like and subscribe. And as I always say, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace and blessings. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
What they bout to hear, everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.